Got a '07 Cadillac CTS. What we did here is we went ahead, we loosened this bolt all the way up, pulled it all the way out. Same thing with the other bolt. Those are the two rear top bolts, the differential. Here we're supporting it with two post jacks. It's on the lift. We went ahead and disconnected the drive shaft. When we brought it down, this is what the bushing looked like right here. It's all torn. We got a new one over at AutoZone. Here's the new bushing at AutoZone. See the part number there? It's a Dorman 523/223. There's what the bushing should look like. There's a sleeve on it. Here's where the sleeve is. What I did was I slid out the broken bushing. I dropped the rear end. This is the other bolt I had to take out. Then this is the front bushing. I had to take the bolt out. Then I've got to take the sleeve out. So what I did here was I took a Sawzall. There was just enough room and I was able to cut a line in here. And now I'm hammering it from the back with the chisel. You can see it's starting to slide out. See the end of it. And let's finish it up. Here's the sleeve from the bushing. And you can see my relief cut. And I went ahead and hammered it, got an edge on it. I got an edge on it and was able to push it out from there. The other thing is to keep the rear end from moving. I dropped it down so it's floating there on the jacks, on the post jacks. But I put a tie down around it so it wouldn't slide around while I was banging it out from the back. Luckily, I have these oversized sockets, so how I'm going to put this bushing back in is I'm going to go ahead and use the socket to bang it back in around the edge without damaging the new bushing. So that's it. She runs. She doesn't clunk anymore when going into gear. And that was the bushing that was bad. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit the like button if it helped you. Thank you.